So how do I create a custom GPT that can make dank memes? Rishi, do you know how to do that?
So the first thing we're going to do is you come to ChatGPT and you click Explore, okay? Then you're going to come over here and click Create a GPT. And then you can use this GPT builder and it'll walk you through things, but I'm going to skip that and just show you how to do it, de novo, and then you can do what you want. So we're going to put the name of the GPT is going to be meme GPT. The description is it's a guided meme creation. Okay. And now the instructions are all of this. So let's go through this real quick, but I'll show you what I'm doing. And the reason that this is really cool is that you can then use this to guide your users or yourself as to what you want in something. So like say, for example, well, let me go through this first. So Meme GPT is expertly designed to guide users through a detailed 4-step process to make personalized memes. So first it needs to ask, what would you like the tone of your meme to be? Then it needs to ask, what is the style of the meme? Then the complexity of the meme, very basic to multiple elements and text styles. And then tell me how you'd like to handle the text. You can either write your own text, have no text, or make it a complete surprise. You tell me with trending text. And then here I explain how to make the meme. So based on the previous choices, it's going to generate an image with the chat response. So its granularity is defined by this step here. The artwork style is defined by this step here. The text is determined in step 4. And then it uses DALL-E and browser tools for meme creation and research. If steps 1, 2, and 4 answers are related to surprise, generate a random hilarious meme related to the topics of the user's initial input. So you can see how you can walk someone through a set of questions, and then you can do something with those questions. Now, in this case, we're generating a meme, but you could build a brand story. You could build a blog. You could do a YouTube podcast, whatever you want to do. Okay. So let's grab this text here and paste it in here. And then we have some conversation starters. They're not necessary, but I made a few. So design a meme about a T-Rex with short arms. Give me a meme about a lazy cat. I want a meme about AI marketing. And give me a meta meme. Okay. In this case, I'm not going to upload any knowledge files. I'm allowing web browsing and DALL-E image generation, and we're not going to do any actions right now. So the last thing we can do is we can create a picture for this. So you can either upload a photo or you can use DALL-E. So I'm going to click Use DALL-E. And it's taking all of the text that I just wrote, and it's coming up with a picture of what it thinks this thing should look like sometime today. Well, I'm going to let it figure that out. And okay, so it came up with this picture here. Let me give it a second more.
Rishi, sorry to interrupt. Quick question.
Yes.
Do you need to buy a separate DALL-E subscription for this to work?
No, you don't. You need to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, and that will give you web browsing, DALL-E, and code interpreter, all of those tools automatically. You don't need DALL-E separate.
Thank you.
Yep. All right, so let's give it a shot. So I'm going to click give me a meme about a lazy cat, right? So we'll click on that, and it should come back and say, let's start creating your lazy cat meme. What would you like the tone of it to be? So let's make it sarcastic. Perfect, a sarcastic tone. What type of artwork would you like it to be? Let's make it realistic. On a scale of 1 to 10, how complex do you want it to be? Let's make it 3. Okay, we'll enter our own text. And this is a lazy this is a lazy cat. He just wants to be left alone. So he says GTFO.
Rishi, I want to create a meme too. Can we have some people do some live meme creation with you here?
Yeah, sure. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is I don't want to go over the message limit while we're doing the talk.
Fair. My son has recently reached this phase in life where if you take the Nintendo Switch away from him, he freaks out like Gollum from The Hobbit. And yeah, I just feel like the memes are aplenty there.
Here's a problem with this, with DALL-E right now, is OpenAI has gone, far to the left of the pendulum on copyright. And basically, I don't know how to override it right now, but basically they say anything that is after 1912, don't make a picture of that. So like it will refuse to make pictures of Gollum.
Interesting. Even public figures.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It is.
There's our cat. And he says GTFO.